Hi, so please let's make sure that we type in our password, and after typing the password you should receive an OTP, a code via your email that you submitted. This email, you have the code, then you can use it to continue your installation. Okay guys, so immediately your OTP is sent via your email. You make sure that it's actually some digits of numbers. There are about 6 of them. You enter them, and then this is a screen that will show after you enter it. Now, you see, this is my interface. You're going to have business details, customer, shipping address, add products, and so on and so forth. When you click on the business details, what you should see there is your business name, your email address, and then your business address. Your country code, mine is Ghana, it's not Nigeria. I need to correct it. Now, the first part, they're asking you to add a logo. So if you have a logo, please click on the plus sign, go to your gallery, and look for your logo. So I have my logo somewhere here, so I pick it. I don't want this one, I want this clever. And I accept it. So the logo appears there. Now your business address, if you want, you can put it there. Let me just put Accra. But you can put your vivid area. You understand? So maybe Kwabenya, Accra. A company tagline. Do you have anything that people know you for? When they mention your company, you can put it there. I'm okay with what I have, so I would just go to save business info. Okay, so customer details, we don't have anything here. So now shipping address, I don't need to want to put anything there. So now basically, how do we go about generating a receipt? So with these details, we go to customer. Now put a customer name. So let's say George Ofori. I don't want to put email address. You can put if you want. He's a Ghanaian. His phone number 123456789. So this is his phone number, but you can put the right phone number. And customer address. Okay, East Legon Road, Accra. Then you save. Okay, it's saying invalid phone number, so he really wants me to enter a valid phone number, so I'll put something that okay, so it's saved. Now it's asking you to add. Then the next thing is the add product. Okay, we add product name. What is it? Okay, so I'm putting pen drives. Selling price per unit is what? So 75. So let's say 64 gig pen drive, 75. Quantity, how many did the person buy? I bought 5. Okay, so I add the product. So look at something here. Selected product. So done. You see, the system has automatically calculated the product, the total amount. So 64 gig pen drive, one is 75 and the person bought 5. So the system calculated here. So if you look at this place, you can see that the total amount came there. That's 375. Are you going to give the person a discount? If you would, then you go to the discount column, then you put a discount there. I am not giving a discount, so I'll leave it. If you give a discount, you realize that you can give 5 cedis discount, and you see what happened. There was an indication it has reduced. You get it. But I am not giving discount on this quantity, so I'm saving it. So the original price is there, the total is still there. Now payment method. Is it cash, point of sale, or bank transfer. Mine was cash. Choose. Optional fields. So these optional fields, you have currency. Yes, the currency is Ghana cedis, so I'll keep it there. If it's any other currency, you can select them. Now receipt number, the system generates automatically a receipt number for me, that is 4 zeros and 2, 00002. But if you have your own style of receipt with your own code, you can clean it and put it there. Some people like to have your own reference per the date. So 23 stroke 09 stroke 002. If you want, you put it there. That's your receipt code. Okay. Then the next thing is receipt date. Automatically is today's date. If it's not today's date, it's an old a product somebody bought much earlier and you want to refer to that date, then you just come here to change your date and it changes. So now there's another option called show paid stamp. The system can generate a show paid stamp for you. Do you want it? Yes, I want it, so I'll put it there. Then the show footer, it means that you want something to come beneath. I don't want it now. Additional comment. Do you want to give an additional comment? Sometimes people make purchases and there are instructions attached to it. You understand? So you can put an additional comment like goods sold are not returned. Are not returned. So goods sold are not returnable. So then I come. So with all this, you can go through again to check if everything is fine. The business detail is there, the customer's name is there, his shipping address is there, the ad products are put in here. I didn't give a discount, he paid cash, and I put a receipt number and everything, a paid stamp, goods sold. Then you come down to what? Generate receipt. And you click on generate receipt. This is what happens. You see a sample of the receipt generated, Jojo Fori, the phone number. You understand? Tech savvy, everything is there. Now receipt paid, this is a sign. Now you see additional comment, goods sold are not returnable. Now there are colors and styles. You can change the color if you want different colors, but I'll just maintain the black, or let me use the green. Now when we come to the style, we have different receipt templates. The first one is what we are seeing. The second one comes with a different positioning. You can scroll through for what works best for you. Okay, then you decide. Any which way you go with, you are fine. Alright, so when you are done, you can either come to save PDF, then it will save a copy and you send it to the customer, or you share it directly with the customer. If it is via email, via WhatsApp, understand, if it's via email, via WhatsApp, the options will come. Then you choose. If you want to save it as an image, you can click on save and it will be saved. So or if you want to send it to customer's email directly, you click down there. But I want to save a PDF format of it, and if you save, it will open. Okay, so we have it. So you can directly send it to the person anytime, or maybe print it out as a hard copy if you want. But if I'm generating it digitally, I don't think I want to still print it and send it hard copy. Alright, so guys, this is how to use the receipt aspect. Thank you. I'll see you in the next